We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello students, today we will discuss about the miscellaneous compounds, that is the topic included in the pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry semester 1. In that we will see about the question and answer for the first question may be, write a note on expectorant and emetics. So what are the emetics? These are the drugs which give rise to forced regurgitation, that is emesis, by which the contents of the stomach get expelled through the oral cavity. They are very important in cases of poisoning. The emetics act by 2 types: locally acting emetics by local irritation of gastric mucosa, for example, ammonium bicarbonate, ipecacuanha. These are the examples are there. Centrally acting emetics, and these are acting directly by chemoreceptor triggers on CTZ in the floor of fourth ventricle in medulla. Examples are apomorphine and morphine. Uses of emetics. Generally, vomiting is primarily considered to be a respiratory function. Is the ultimate result will cause the evacuation of the stomach. Thus, emetics produces a reflux action by which toxic substances get expelled in the form of, in the case of poisoning. Emetics are sometimes added to cough preparation in low doses to stimulate flow or respiratory tract secretions. Natural emetics: salt water, warm water. Mild emetics: mustard seed, strong coffee is one of the best domestic stimulants, especially after the narcotic poison. Expectorants are drugs that help in removing sputum from the respiratory tract either by increasing the fluidity of the sputum or increasing the volume of fluids that have to be expelled from the respiratory tract by coughing. According to their mechanism of action, they can be classified into sedative expectorant and stimulant expectorant. Sedative expectorants are stomach irritant expectorants, which are able to produce their effects through stimulation of gastric reflexes. Example are bitter drugs like ipecac, senega, Indian fuel compounds like antimony, potassium tartrate, ammonium chloride, sodium citrate, potassium iodide. Stimulant expectorants: these are the expectorants which bring about a stimulation of a secretory cells of the respiratory tract directly or indirectly. Since these drugs stimulate secretion, more fluid is in respiratory tract and sputum is diluted. For example, eucalyptus, lemon, anise, and active constituents of oil like terpene, hydrate, and anethol. Second question will be like, write a note on activated charcoal. Charcoal is a dark gray residue consisting of carbon and any remaining ash obtained by removing water and other volatile constituent from animal and vegetable substances. These are the method of preparation for that. Physical activation can be done by carbonization and activation oxidation. Chemical activation is it over here. What are the properties for that? These are the properties. Uses are there. Write a note on sodium thiopentane, thiosulfate. These are the method of preparation. Physical properties, chemical properties. These are the equations for the mechanism of action and uses for that. Give the synonym of and uses of green vitriol, Rochelle salt, and blue vitriol. These are most frequent. So, what is the synonym of green vitriol? Is iron sulfate and ferrous sulfate. Uses for that. Blue vitriol is a synonym of copper sulfate solution. Uses for that. Rochelle salt has a synonym of means it is compound as potassium sodium tartrate tetrahydrate. Uses for that. Write about various hematinic preparation. These are the hematinic preparation: iron preparation, oral prepared route, parasols, iron preparation, parenteral route, vitamin B12 preparation, oral and parenteral route, folic acid preparation, oral and parenteral route, erythropoietin preparation. Define following term: expectorant, poison, astringent, cough, and hematinics. These are the definitions for that: expectorant, poison, astringent, cough, and hematinics. Explain preparation and use of ammonium chloride, ferrous sulfate, and ferrous fumarate. These are the preparation for that. Use of ammonium chloride, preparation of ferrous sulfate, uses of ferrous sulfate, preparation of ferrous fumarate, uses of ferrous fumarate. Short note on write a short note on cyanide poisoning. So what is poisoning? Physiology of cyanide in body, treatment. Give name, molecular formula of any compound. Use as following: emetics, expectorant, protective agents, astringent, and intimidable agents. So these are the examples included over here. Explain antidotes and write types of antidote with example. Physiological antidote, chemical antidote, and mechanical antidote. These are the several types of that. What do you understand by antibacterial agent? Explain its mechanism, give preparation, properties, assay, and uses of povidone iodine solution. So this is the preparation of povidone iodine solution. What are the properties? These are the properties, assay procedure, and uses for them. Describe the physiological importance iron and list official compounds of iron. Hematopoiesis is the main mechanism involved in that. Distribution of iron in the body, daily requirement of the iron, dietary sources of iron, factors affecting, factor facilitating iron absorption, factor impeding iron absorption. Deficiency in iron can lead to iron deficiency anemia. Treatment of iron deficiency, official compound of iron. These are the official compounds. Thank you. This is the end of the lecture.